In this video, I'll show you how to add images to Google Ads campaigns so your ads can appear more visually engaging across supported placements. Images can help capture attention and give potential customers a clearer idea of your product or service, especially in campaigns like Performance Max or other formats that support visual assets. To start, sign in to your Google Ads account and click Campaigns from the left-hand menu to open the main campaign dashboard. Next, expand the Campaigns section and select Asset Groups, which is where your creative elements such as headlines, descriptions, logos, and images are organized. Choose the asset group associated with the campaign where you want to add images. Then hover over the Assets column and click the Edit icon to open the Asset Editing panel. Scroll down until you find the Images section and select the option to edit or add images. From here, you can upload your own images or select from the available stock image library provided within the platform. It's generally recommended to use high-quality visuals that clearly represent your brand and are suitable for different placements. Review the previews before saving, so you know how your images may appear in ads. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.